Have you ever gone to get in your vehicle and found that it would not start? This seems to always happen at the most inopportune time, but I'm here to help. My name is Jessica Harris. I'm with the Proctor Honda Service Department, and on this episode of Proctor Car Tips, we're going to review the top 3 reasons your vehicle will not start. We typically find there are 3 major reasons why your vehicle will not start. The number 1 reason, and the most common, is going to be battery concerns, either having an issue with the battery directly or with the battery terminals. There are a few signs that might indicate you have a battery problem. 1, no response at all from the car when you're turning the key in the ignition, or 2, you'll hear a fast series of clicking. If you verify that the battery is in fact bad, and then have it replaced but still have an issue starting, the very next thing you want to check is the connection to the battery. You'll have 2 terminals, positive and negative. They have little clamps that connect to the cables. Sometimes you can have corrosion here or even a loose connection. Make sure there's no play in the clamps to ensure you have a strong connection to the battery. The second most common problem with the vehicle not starting is going to be a starter concern. First, of course, you want to make sure the battery's still good and check the connection to the battery. But if those check out, you definitely want to have your starter checked. If you're beginning to have issues with your starter, there are usually 2 signs. The first sign is going to be no response at all from the vehicle, just like with the battery. The second sign is going to be that you'll hear 1 single click when turning the key in the ignition. The third most common reason why vehicles may not start is due to key-related issues. The new vehicles have a lot of technology in the keys, either a key fob for a push to start or just a standard key with an immobilizer unit. If the immobilizer unit is damaged or if the key battery dies, the vehicle will not start. Again, this is Jessica with another episode of Proctor Car Tips. Please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this and leave any comments down below.